Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Diva, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can do no makeup look which is trending so much nowadays. So no makeup look is perfect for those days when you don't want to do heavy makeup या फिर आपको ऐसा नहीं दिखाना कि आपने फेस पे कोई भी मेकअप किया है but at the same time you want to look perfect. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. But before that, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Now to start with, as usual, I am taking rose water on a cotton pad and applying all over my face. This will remove all the dirt and excess oil from my face. After this, I am using moisturizer so that skin hydrated रहे. Now since हम बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लगाने वाले ऊपर से जिससे कि फेस ग्लो करे, so it is important to make sure कि आपकी स्किन अंदर से ग्लो कर रही हो. For this I am using this face serum oil and massaging it on my face properly. This will make my skin look moisturized, glowy and plumped. Also, don't forget to moisturize your lips. Now once the skin pampering session is done, it's time for the concealer. Apply concealer under your eyes or if you have any dark spots on your face, and with the help of a sponge, blend it well. Now I am using a full coverage foundation by MAC. Apply foundation all over your face and neck and blend it properly. Remember, no makeup look में contour और highlighter ज़्यादा use नहीं करते हैं, so your base should be perfect. मतलब ऊपर से अगर blush या कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है तो भी आपका face एकदम perfect दिखना चाहिए, and that is the reason I used full coverage foundation. After foundation, I am applying loose powder all over my face and neck to set the base. Now this is an important step. Take any tint and apply the same way I am doing here. Make sure to apply a little on your eyes too, as we are not going to use any eyeshadow here. Now with the help of a sponge, mix it a little and then use a blush brush and mix it well. हमें यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा सटल लुक चाहिए, इसलिए हम पाउडर बेस्ड ब्लश यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. टिंट को स्किन में मर्ज करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी होता है एंड इट गिव्स अ वेरी नेचुरल लुक. इसे लगाने से आपके चीक्स ऐसे पिंकी से लगेंगे और नेचुरल ग्लो आएगा. Take a little highlighter and apply on your nose and above your upper lips and mix it. In the next step, I am fixing and setting my eyebrows. I like to keep it natural, but you can definitely make it look more prominent as this is a very subtle makeup look. Since we don't have to use kajal or eyeliner here, we have to apply mascara properly. Always apply mascara in downwards direction first and then lift it. Also apply mascara on your lower lashes to make your eyes look bigger. And the last step, apply your favorite nude lipstick and you're all done. इस लुक में मैंने मेकअप किया है लेकिन देख के लग नहीं रहा कि मैंने मेकअप किया है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट नो मेकअप लुक इज. दिस लुक इज सो परफेक्ट फॉर योर एवरीडे मेकअप लुक. चाहे आपको ऑफिस जाना हो, कॉलेज जाना हो या डे आउटिंग पे जाना हो, यू कैन गो विद सच ब्यूटिफुल सटल मेकअप लुक. I hope today's video was useful to you and I will see you soon with another video. Until next time, love.